Hey there, warranty is good. Home warranty, it's time to start looking at options. Others hate warranty, so use your own judgment on this and do your due diligence. What I'll say is I had a relative that claimed washer and dryer. It might have been washer and dryer and refrigerator. I'll have to confirm it, but I know for sure it's the washer and dryer or one or the other. And so now she has a mixed match unit. But here's the deal: you pay $75 or maybe more, depending on the warranty company you pick, for them to come out and service it or look to see if they can service it. And in her case, they couldn't. So they replaced it. And so she's just raving. She doesn't care that it's mixed match. She's raving that I got a brand new unit. I forget which one it was. The refrigerator, it might have been a client that I'm thinking of who had the refrigerator service. They couldn't fix it. The part was out or discontinued, and they got a new fridge. They love it. Other people like myself, when I bought a home and I tried to claim things, nothing was ever covered. I'm like, you're just getting my service fee dollars for no purpose. So just make sure you know the logistics of it and determine if you want to proceed with something like that or not. It is a service fee most times. Confirm what that is. It oftentimes when it comes to like HVAC, the heating and ventilation system, that AC, if it's not fixed before you take on warranty, they'll often say, we're not covering it. And some have even gotten even smarter nowadays. What they do is request for you to send over the full inspection report. Why? So that they can rule out all those things that's on there and not cover it most times. So get clarity around what's needed, what's necessary, what deems a unit or item or mechanic of the home being covered or not. If things are discontinued, like R22 for the Freon for the units, what happens in those cases? If what's considered on me as the owner as negligence versus just being an item of warranty, finding out those things are critical. I can say this other thing too before I hop off is 30 days within closing, I believe. And some might have shortened that window or lengthened it. I don't know. You'll have to confirm it. But typically, about 30 days after closing is when you get the rate that they'll offer you as a new homeowner. So five to 700. You have a pool, there may be more. I'm sure there's cost to add on different pieces of the home that's not already one of the packages you might choose. It'll go up quite a bit after that window. And if you're just getting warranty, so find out what it is for that. If you choose to get it later, and then every year how much it will cost if there's a contract or not. You just want to ask those type of questions. And I know you're smart. Just ask those questions. Uh, if we want the seller to pay for it or not, it's probably something you want to consider. Likely sellers don't want to, and they try to, in lieu of doing repairs, say, "I'll give you warranty." It's like, no, I kind of need you to fix the item first so that I can get warranty in case I change my mind on the company. But it is something that you might want to consider if you like it. Others, again, they hate warranty, don't want to hear the word warranty. American Home Shield was one that I had at the time that didn't cover it, anything. And they were just kind of getting my money. So look into those, see what options exist, and if you can cancel at any point or switch or pivot or add on different things of the home or not, and then determine if you want to just have it as an add-on. Respond back to us, let us know you want it or either you don't, and then we'll get it added to let the title company know to add it so you'll see it on, as a line item in your cost, even though the seller's not paying for it. Trust this is helpful. Let me know your thoughts. And if you have any more questions, I want to answer them.